got to transfer those marks over, right? I take the template, I lay it on top of a fresh board, I line up the edges, clamp it together, and just trace with a pencil. The ends I make with the circular saw, and the beginning of the bird's mouth cut I also make on the top with a circular saw, but because of the nature of a circular blade, the underneath does not get cut properly. And what a lot of guys do is they'll go past, and I know that's fine. I know every carpenter does that, every framer does that, and it's safe. So what I do is I take the jigsaw. Framers, they don't do that. They don't have the time. When you're doing your own build, of course, you can take the time, and that way there is no extended cut into it. And I don't know, it just looks prettier. I kind of like that. I got a lot done, and it was a really beautiful day. It was almost too warm for me. It was 14 degrees, which is like, 60 degrees, 62 degrees, but sunny. I got this center part in, which is a double part clamped together and ties together the beam that goes to the front of the cabin, and then it ties it right here. It goes all the way to the back. So now this part is stable. I can probably remove this piece. It goes all the way down into what's called a bird's mouth or a bird's seat. You see how it sits on top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's really coming along. You can see behind me what I've got going on. And time to get started. Got to get that roof on before the snow arrives permanently. This cordless Dewalt jigsaw is the best, better than any corded jigsaw I've ever owned. This thing is unbelievable. I have made such precision cuts with this thing. I love it. I can't believe I never bought one before. It's great because it has this really cool variable speed. Depending on how hard you press the trigger, it's like a sewing machine. Trust me on this. It is really awesome. Hello from Rafter-ville. All right, Happy. Nice and easy. Let's see, I've even got the colors to match. Happy. You can't get nice weather without these mosquitoes. They're hand in hand. If you're gonna have a mild fall, you're gonna have mosquitoes. And sometimes they drive me nuts. So I'm on here on the roof, and this is the west side. You can see how much is done already on the east side. I got 4 left, and I'm excited to get the roof on. I don't know if I'll get those 4 done today because I'm running out of time. I got about an hour left before it gets dark, but I'll try. Thanks for joining me on this incredible and frequently unknown journey as I build the cabin of my dreams on my very own private and secluded 40 acres in the beautiful northern Canadian wilderness. As always, if you enjoy this content, please hit the like button and consider subscribing so that you can be notified when any new videos are released. Until then, the future is unknown, and I'll see you there. Well, I got it done, like I said I would.